Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing here to let you know it's very important. Yes, I'm talking to you. If you're watching, listening to this program, I am talking to you. It's of the utmost importance to hit that bell notification, the like and subscribe button to help you sidestep and audible this inflationary depression that is now well underway as they're trying to redefine what a recession is in the United States to suit a political need and to hide the damage and the economic damage that's going on in the country. Stick with old Vincenzo as I most importantly inform and educate you to sidestep and audible the criminal gangsters.
And this is a critical area right now. As you can see, we're up here. And we had that big wick with the sell pressure up there. Now we've rallied back up here, but it looks like we're starting to top out. The volume's been declining as the price has been rising. And that usually means that we're going to start to top out. And what we would be watching out for now is if this doesn't get supported right here and fire past this old all-time high, or regional high, not all-time high, but a small time frame recent run-up high, with the volume going down, it's saying the price should eventually come back down here, right? Once it breaches this area right here, it's saying the price should, if the price breaches this 50 cents, we should come down to that 37 cents because this should be a double top, right? But this could come here and then bounce back up and do something like that before it does it. But if we're going to try to get bullish and get up to here, we have to get some support here. The volume's got to start coming back in down here as the volume's been decreasing, as you can see, and the volume needs to come up and push the price up to here relatively quickly, because if the volume continues to stagnate and it gets below this, as the volume comes in, it's going to trigger sells, and it's going to break it down to the 200 initially and then back down to the 37 cents. As we're still in the same area, we have a 50 cents major upper underneath support, 68 cents major resistance. If you break this 50 cents, you come to the 200 first, and then you eventually come back down to your major support at 37 cents. That if we look back in the XRP chart, it used to be major resistance after the great dump, where we flipped this from support and then we made it resistance, and we got resistance repeatedly once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times before the breakout, right? And now we're starting to struggle with the volume looking like that. This is starting to look like a topping out pattern with the volume decreasing, the price sort of forming a mini double top. If you don't, in a very short time frame, gather momentum and bounce up from here, you're going to come down to this 37 cents, and that's what we're going to pay attention and watch out for in the XRP price.